Do you know something? 90% of people know what to do, but they don't do it. Only 1% actually do it, and that is why they succeed. Today, you can become one of that 1%, but to do that, you have to start today. Start tomorrow. Yes, that's the trick. Just give 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, you'll understand everything. At first, it may feel like 5 minutes is too short, but daily, consistent 5-minute practice can totally change your English learning game. Just speak, listen, repeat. Start slowly with 1 sentence, then 2 sentences, then a short story. You can do it. You just need to start. 90% of people are thinking, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. That's why now is the time. Today is the start of your effort. Join the 1%. You are the next confident English speaker. So don't wait. Don't start tomorrow. Start today. Do you think you need a lot of time to learn English? You're wrong. You don't need a lot of time. Just a little awareness and daily practice is enough. The things you do every day, waking up, washing your face, eating, working, resting, your chance to learn is hidden within these routines. When you wake up in the morning, say to yourself, I woke up. While walking, say, I'm walking to the kitchen. When making tea, say, I'm making tea. In this way, your daily activities will turn into small English practice sessions. In just 5 minutes, you can learn 1 sentence. In 10 minutes, you can describe your daily routine. 1 word, 1 sentence, 1 thought. Learn a little every day. When checking your calendar, think in English. What do I have today? Before writing a message, think, what should I say in English? You'll make mistakes, and that's okay, because that's how learning happens. You are not here to be perfect. You are here to improve little by little, every day. Learning English doesn't mean memorizing books. It means making English a part of your life. Are you busy? That's okay. Still, give just 5 minutes a day to practice English. Ask yourself, what was your routine today? What did you do in the morning before going to bed? Tell yourself, in English, today I worked hard, I'm tired, but I'm learning. These small sentences are the beginning of big change. Today, I want to remind you of something very simple, but very important. Keep it simple. Use the English you already know. Don't wait to be perfect. Just speaking, you don't need big words. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need one thing, courage. The courage to speak, even with mistakes. Let me tell you a secret. Everyone makes mistakes. Yes, even native speakers. But they don't stop. They keep speaking. You should do the same. If you can say, I go market, that's okay. Say it. Later, you will learn to say, I'm going to the market. Step by step, you will learn one word, then another. That's how learning happens. Don't be afraid. Say what you can. Make mistakes. Then say it again, even better. A mistake is not the end. It is the beginning. So speak. Speak with confidence. Speak with joy. Because you are learning, and the more you speak, the better you get. You don't need a long time to learn English. You can learn during the small things you do every day. When you wake up, what do you think about? Today is a busy day. I want to drink tea. These small habits create big change. Remember, no time is not an excuse. Someone like you once started and now they speak English fluently.